Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, we have an exciting shopping episode for today because we are going back to our Louis Vuitton flagship store in Greenbelt. So I'm going to tour you around at Louis Vuitton. I'm also going to show you their new collection. Plus guys, I have a new CA and I'm going to get something from Louis Vuitton. This is going to be exciting. So please make sure you watch the entire episode. Hi guys, Ron here is looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Guys, please follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52. Hi guys, so we have just arrived at Greenbelt 3. So our first appointment for the day is we are going to go to Louis Vuitton. So hopefully I would be able to show you good items and selection and new bags of course. So hope you enjoy this episode today. Let's check the windows. Super nice one. So we are inside LV just to show you what I'm wearing. So this is the entire outfit. See Stella McCartney. I throw on a denim blazer, shirt, Dior belt, wearing my YSL earring, and then here I have Chanel. Then of course my favorite Chanel laptop.
Guys, look what my CA brought me today. The very rare and difficult to locate keyblade. And this book over here. It's so big and so heavy, to be honest. Look how thick it is. Super cute. Look at the size comparison. I like this. Rare pieces. Which one? Parang I won't be able to use this kasi the phone will not fit. Pero this one, def.
Lalagyan ng card.
This one, I like this. $162 guys. Papillon. Super nice. $166.
Tsaka ngayong season na kasi kami
You can use them separately.
51.
51.
Okay.
For the three.
Opo, kasama na siya.
For the three.
但波水其实靠近法国，靠近比较近。
Pero kasi, yung ayaw mo yung regular na Kipal XS, the monogram Eclipse. Yeah.
Hey guys, say hi to the vlog. I have here Stephen. Thank you, Stephen, for a lovely day. How are you?
Good, good.
So nice to
Love
meet you.
So nice to see you and every time you visit the store.
Yay, thank you. See you around, ha.
See you around.
Hi guys, so we are done with Louis Vuitton and guess what? I got me some goodie bag. I'm so excited for this one. It's such, a very rare piece and I'm so happy and thankful for my new CA for finally I have this one. We're going to do a review or unboxing soon, so please stay tuned. So hopefully you enjoyed our Louis Vuitton shopping adventure. Yay! There, did you enjoy our shopping episode? So firstly, I would like to say thank you to my CA. Thank you so much for being kind and showing me all the new goodies at Louis Vuitton. So honestly guys, the things that I've requested from him, I never imagined that it's currently available. So he showed me the Kikle, the Louis Vuitton book, and the mini pochette accessoire. So I've taken home one of these items. I'm going to do an unboxing really soon, so please stay tuned on that one. So again guys, what do you think of the new collection of Louis Vuitton? Did you enjoy any of the bag selection that I've shown you for today? So there's the marshmallow collection, And then I forgot the name, the one with, you know, a very beautiful pink violet color combination. I super love that as well. So hope you enjoyed today's shopping episode, guys. Again, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52. A million thank you guys for staying with me in this very special shopping episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you. Bye!